Afternoon, everybody. So yeah, I'm just out of the City of London Magistrates Courts, and yeah, the defendant got off. You'll see the video. So the reason he got off is some sort of procedural issue. I do know a bit more detail than I can talk about, but yeah. Anyway, so I can't really give too much information, but it did seem a little unfair. But nevertheless, I'm not too bothered. You know, it's this chap had to hire a very expensive barrister, and although he'll get a little bit of money back in costs, it's not going to pay for all of it. And the driver's also had a year of stress, probably almost a year, worrying about maybe losing his PHV badge. I think the Mercedes had a green PHV badge in the front window. I'm not 100% sure on that. So yeah, it's over. No worries. The only bummer is I spent from 9:30 until almost 4 o'clock here. It's a bit longer than I really planned to be. I had other things I needed to do today, but no matter. Yeah, and you'll see the video. Some of the key parts, the key points as to why I think he would have been convicted, and that's only my opinion, if the trial had gone ahead, was that his clear use of his phone. You could see a sent bubble appearing in WhatsApp on his phone. He was part of a live queue of traffic of maybe about 10 vehicles, waiting at a for a banksman with some construction traffic. And his engine was running. I could clearly see the RPM counter showing like 800 or 900 RPM. So he wasn't parked. There was no sign of him sitting down or picking up passengers, and he was on double yellows with double stripes for no loading. So I think had it gone ahead, he would have been found guilty. That's only my opinion. Anyway, the other important thing is that I was actually leaving this very court, having been here with Stephen Anderson for one of these Uber driver refusal cases, where an Uber driver refused Stephen's guide dog to come in the Uber with him and left. That guy got convicted. It was on the way back from that I caught this gentleman. All right, have a good day. I'm out of here. Hi again, everybody. So yeah, I had two more points with the court case from last week. So one of the things was the prosecutor told me that the defense barrister was complaining about my notoriety in reporting drivers. Now, I don't understand why that should have any relevance at all. I mean, the evidence, such as it was, should stand on its own. Either the driver was committing a traffic offence or he wasn't. Whether I've caught lots of people or not shouldn't make any difference to whether he was committing a traffic offence. It's not as though I went and entrapped him and encouraged him to make the offence. Okay, then the second reason is I suspect that PHV driver thinks that I'm the only person videoing phone drivers. I'm not. And in fact, I don't even believe I'm in the top 10 of such people reporting traffic offences in London. I think there's loads of people doing it, and some of them are doing it far more than I am. So those are just two things I wanted him to think about. What's this guy doing? He's waiting in traffic, right? He was touching, typing, WhatsApping. I don't think that's an excuse. Your engine's running. EA69KWF. I've literally just set off from the Magistrates Court.